Okay, good morning my dear students. In last class we solved up to question number 12. Up to question number 12. Now I am going to start the question number 13. I am going to explain question number 13. So just to see the question number 13. What is given here? Prove that determinant 1 plus a square minus b square 2ab minus 2b 2ab 1 minus a square by b square 2a 2b minus 2a 1 minus a square minus b square. This determinant value is equal to what is asking to prove that 1 plus a square plus b square 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube is asking. 1 plus a square by b square whole cube is asking. Okay, just yesterday we solved how to prove this type of questions. We solved how to prove this type of questions. How we have to prove this type of questions? How we have to prove? To prove that one, see, we have to apply some row operations. Okay, by that row operations, what we have to do? We should have to prove this one. We have to prove 1 plus a square by b square. Now I told yesterday also what was that. So we have to use some row operations or column operations on this determinant to take this term as common. To take this term as common. That means what is the term here? 1 plus a square by b square. So we have to apply some row or column operations on this determinant. On this determinant to take it out common 1 plus a square by b square, and we have to prove this one also. Okay, so that means just observe here and think yourself which operation we have to apply on this determinant to getting 1 plus a square plus b square common. 1 plus a square plus b square common. Okay, just observe here. What is there here? What is there here? 1 plus a square minus b square is there. Minus b square. Okay, here what is there? 2ab. Here 1 minus a square by b square, 1 minus a square minus b square is there. Here there is no term 1 plus a square by b square, but we should have to bring this one. How can you bring that one? We should have to apply row or column operations. So how can you get this term? To getting this term, what I am doing here, just observe here, 1 plus a square minus b square is there. If you add here 2b square, if you add 2b square, what you get here? 1 plus a square minus b square plus 2b square means plus b square you will get. 1 plus a square plus b square you will get. Yes. So 1 plus a square plus b square. So you will get 1 plus a square by b square. To getting that one, we should have to add 2b square. We should have to add 2b square. How can you add that one? To add that one, you cannot add directly. You cannot add directly. How? We have to use row operation. So we have to use such row operation to getting that one. That means where it is R1. So which are first what I am doing here? I am taking this determinant as delta. I am taking this determinant as delta. Delta is equal to. Okay? Yes. So now what is which operation I am applying here? R1 changes to R1 I am changing, right? R1. Here what we need? Plus 2b square. To adding 2b square, where is it? Here 2ab is there. A is there. You cannot take this one. So just observe this R3. In R3 what is there? 2b is there. In R3 what is there? 2b is there. If you multiply by b here, 2b square. If you multiply by b here, 2b square you will get 2b square. Add this 2. That means what we are doing here? R1 changes to R1 plus B R3. B R3. Okay. R1 changes to R1 changes to R1 plus B R3. So now what will get here? If we add this one B into R3, 2B square will get. Add this to this one and this one. You will get 1 plus A square by B square. You will take common that term also. Okay. Next. Just observe here. Here and here, okay, just let it be here. Just 1 minus a square by b square. Here also to getting 1 plus a square by b square, here what we have to do? We have to add 2a square. We have to add 2a square. To adding this 2a square, what is there here? Here 2ab is there. Here only 2a not there. Just to see observe here, minus 2a is there. Minus 2a. So now here, which row I am going to change here? R2. R2 I am going to change. R2 changes to R2. Changes to R2. Here what is there? We have to add 2a. This one. Adding means here minus is there. So to getting plus a square, I am multiplying by a to here. A R2. Sorry, a R3. I am multiplying by a to this R3. And what I am subtracting. Whenever you subtract here, minus of minus plus you will get 1 minus a square by b square minus of minus plus 2a square. So 1 plus a square by b square you will get. So these two row operations we have to apply to getting the term 1 plus a square plus b square. So just apply here. Delta is equal to determinant R1. R1 plus B R3. R1 it is R1 multiplied by B2 R3. So 2B into B. First term, second term, third term, like that we have to add. Okay, yes, R1 plus B R3. R1 is okay. Next B into R3 multiplied by 2B square. 1 plus A square minus B square plus 2B square. What will get? 1 plus A square plus B square. Next R1 okay, multiplied by B into R3 multiplied by B 2AB. 2AB minus 2AB, adding minus plus minus minus 2AB 2AB get cancelled, 0. Okay, next here minus 2B. I am writing here, say minus 2B. What we are doing here? Adding plus multiply by B 2R3. Multiply here B minus A square B minus B cube minus 2B plus B minus B minus A square B minus B cube. So from these three terms, what we can take to common? Minus B. Then what will be? 1 plus A square plus B square. So here, what will get here? Minus B into 1 plus A square plus B square. Clear? Yes. So first row is over. Next, R2 I am going to change. R2 changes to R2 minus A into R3. It is R2 multiplied by A to R3. So 2AB multiply by A here 2AB. 2AB minus 2AB 0. Right? Here what is there? 1 minus A square plus B square minus we have to subtract A into R3. Multiply by A minus 2A square. So minus minus plus or not? 1 minus A square plus B square plus 2A square. 1 minus A square plus 2A square means what will get here? A square. 1 plus A square plus B square. 1 plus A square plus B square. Okay, next third one. Multiply, it is minus 2B. Okay, minus 2B minus A into R3. Multiply by A minus of A minus A cube minus B square A. So minus 2B minus A plus A square. Sorry, we are multiplying by A or not? A to R3, R2 minus, not this one, R2 minus, R2 means this one 2A minus of, multiply by A to R3, A minus plus A cube plus A B square. So 2A minus A plus A cube plus A B square. I am taking common A here. 1 plus A square plus B square. Okay, here what will get here? A into 1 plus A square plus B square. Clear? Yes. Next R3 same like that only. So 2B minus 2A, 1 minus A square minus B square. Okay. So after this one, just observe here what is there. Observe from row 1. From row 1 what you can take out common? 1 plus A square plus B square is there. Here 0. Okay. 1 plus A square plus B square is there. From row 1 what you can take out common? From 0 you will get 1 plus A square plus B square common. No problem. Okay. From row 1 what you can take out common? 1 plus A square plus B square. Okay. This one you will get common. From row 2. Just observe row 2. Row 2 also 1 plus A square plus B square is there not? Yes. So from row 2 also you can take out common 1 plus A square plus B square. So from row 1 you will get 1 plus A square plus B square. From row 2 you will get 1 plus A square plus B square. So how many times you will get? From this one term or from this one term? So 1 plus A square plus B square into 1 plus A square plus B square. 2 times you will get. So delta is equal to 1 plus A square plus B square whole square into 1 plus A square B square whole square into, what is determinant? 1. We are taking this one common 1, 0 minus B. Here 0, 1 A. Okay, here 2B minus 2A, 1 minus A square minus B square. Okay, whenever you got this one like this, then what you have to do? After getting this one, you got this determinant value. Now expand directly. Expand this determinant directly. You will get that value. So I am going to expand here. See, delta is equal to 1 plus A square plus B square whole square into, expand by using row 1. Okay, expand by using row 1 expand 1 into 1 into 1 into this one. First row, first column, you have to delete them. So again, what is the remaining? 1 into this one. So 1 minus a square minus b square minus plus minus 2a into a minus 2a into a. So minus plus 2a into a, 2a square. 2a square. Okay, next plus 0 into 0 into whatever the term, it will be 0 only. 0 into whatever the term, that is 0 only. And right, if you want to that one, write yourself 0 into. So 0 into this term 0 minus 0 minus 2ab. Okay, next. Here it is minus, right? Minus. First this one minus, next plus here minus b is there, minus b into what is that? 0 into 2 is 0 minus 2b, 0 minus 2b. Okay, now simplify this one. So delta is equal to 1 plus a square plus b square into 1 minus a square plus b square plus 2a square. What will you get here? 1 plus a square plus b square. Here minus plus 2ab plus 2ab minus wait a minute, it is 1 minus a square minus b square. 1 minus a square minus b square means what is that one? Plus 2a square. 1 plus a square minus b square it is, right? Minus b square, sorry, 2ab, we are getting something wrong here. Okay, it is 0, right? Total this term is 0, minus 0 into this total 0, plus 0, minus plus 2b square. Okay, next what it is? 1 plus a square plus b square whole square into what it is? 1 plus a square plus b square. Then finally what it is? 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube. Delta equal to. Hence proof. Okay, so solve carefully this one. So these two row operations only we have to apply here. After applying that one, you will get like this way. Okay, remember. Come to the next question. We solved question number 13. Okay. Now come to question number 14. Question number 14. What is given here? Question number 14. Determinant of a square plus 1, ab, ac, ab, b square plus 1, bc, ca, cb, c square plus 1 is equal to 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, just observe this one. This determinant is equal to what is asking to prove that? 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. To apply that one, to getting that right hand side value, now only I told you what you have to do. We have to use some row operations or column operations to getting this term as common. How we have to? So here 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. We have to bring that one. So we have to do some row operations. To bring that one, just observe here. A square plus 1 plus a square is there. Here and here or here and here. B square plus c square terms are not there. So only what is there? AB is there, C is there. AB, C, A, C is there. So those terms are not there. So first what you have to do, these terms are these terms. Now I am going to make as a b square and c square. I am going to make as a b square and c square by using our operations. To do that one, now what I am doing here, R1 I am changing here. How I am changing R1? So I am multiplying by A to R1. So we multiplied by A. We have taken this A from outside. Compulsory to do not change this determinant value. What I have to do? I have to multiply also. Divide also. I have to divide and multiply by A. So 1 by A into A R1. Next same like this R2 also. R2 changes to 1 by B into BR2. BR2. Next R3 changes to 1 by C into CR3. So now I am multiplying and dividing by A to R1, B to R2, C to R3. Okay, then what will be it is? See, I am multiplying by A inside to R1, B inside to R2, C inside to R3. So this 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C, I am not multiplying inside. I will keep it outside only. So finally what it will be? What it will be? So this determinant I am taking as a delta. This determinant I am taking as a delta. Now what are these row operations I am applying here? See, I am multiplying by A to R1. I am multiplying by A and dividing by A. Multiplying by B, dividing by B, R2. Multiplying by C, dividing by C also. Before that, I am multiplying by A, B, C or not. 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C also we have to do. But these two, I am not writing inside. I will write outside of the determinant. Okay. So delta is equal to what it is? 1 by A, 1 to 1 by B into 1 by C. So finally what will write? 1 by ABC into multiply by A to R1. What it is? A into A square plus 1. A square B. Here A square C. Clear? Next B into R2. B into R2. What it is? A B square. B into B square plus 1. B square C. Next C into R3. C square A. C square B. C into C square plus 1. C into C square plus 1. Okay? Yes. So after multiplying by A, B, C to R1, R2, R3 respectively, we got like this determinant. Next now what I am doing here? Just observe here. Here A is there. Here also A is there. Here also A is there not. So what you can do now? What you can do? And you can take common from column 1 A. If you take out common A from C1, what will get here? A will be removed. After taking A common here, what will be left? A square, 1 plus A square, B square, C square is the not. So if you add these three, what will you get? 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square, you will get a not. Yes. To getting that A square, B square, C square. So what I done here? What I done here? What I done? I multiplied by A to R1, multiplied by B to R2, multiplied by B to R3. Now I am taking common. Taking common A comma B comma C from C1, C2, C3 respectively. Okay, yes. So delta is equal to. So take common here already what is there? 1 by ABC is there. Take common A here. A. Take common B from C2, B. Right? Take common C3, C from C3. Third column C, A, B, C. Then what is there here? A square plus 1. Here B square. Here C square. Here from this column 2, what we are taking common? B we are taking common. So here A square, B square plus 1, C square. Here A square, B square, C square plus 1. From column 3, what we are taking common? C. Right? So these two get cancelled. That two get cancelled. Next, just observe here. It is R1, it is R2, it is R3. Now what I am doing here? We have to get R1 plus 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. To getting that one, just here 1 plus A square is there, B square is there, C square is there. So now R1 plus R2 plus R3 changing. I am applying here. Which operation we have to go to apply here? So here, which operation I am going to apply here? R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Just apply that row operation. So then what will get here? What will get? Delta is equal to R1 changes to R plus R plus R. That means first term, second term, third term. We add that one. 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. Okay. Here also 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. Here also 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. C square. Next remaining as it is. Here it is b square. Here b square plus 1. Here b square. Here c square. C square. C square plus 1. Okay. Now from row 1, which term you can take it common? From row 1, which term you can take it common? 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square you can take common. Taking common 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Then what will be? 1, 1, 1. Remaining same. B square plus 1, b square. C square, c square, c square plus 1. Okay? Yes. So after taking common 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, here what we got here? 1, 1, 1 I got. Again I have to simplify. Simplify maximum it is. Okay? So to simplify, what I am doing here? Here and here I am going to make zeros. Here and here. Here this one where it is C2. This one where it is C3. So to getting it is 0, which operation I am going to apply here? C2 I am going to change. Why? Because here we have to make 0. So 1 minus 1 0. That means C2 changes to C2 minus C1. Here also 1 minus 1 0. So C3 changes to C3 minus C1. Yes, apply. Delta is equal to 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square into determinant of C1 I am not changing. C2, C3 I am changing. C1 I am not changing. So 1 b square c square. Okay, 1 minus 1 0. B square plus 1 minus b square 1. C square 0. Next 1 minus 1 0. B square minus b square 0. Okay, c square plus 1 minus c square 1. Now you expand this one. That is equal to delta is equal to 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square into apply. Expand through row 1. 1 into, what is that one? 1 into 1 minus 0. Remaining you will get zeros only. Why? Because 0 into 0 into 0 0 you will get. Okay. So finally what it is? 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square into 1. So finally delta is equal to 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Hence proved. So it is the question. So these questions are very, very important. This question, it is 14th question. I think so, right? This previous question. These two are very, very important. Okay. So it is question number 14. Next question number 15, what is there? Let A be the square matrix of order 3 by 3. A is a square matrix is given of order 3 by 3. Then determinant of Ka. Determinant of Ka is equal to. Determinant of Ka means see K into A. So first what we have to find here? Ka we have to find. Isn't it? Ka. K into A means K into, we have to multiply by K to each every element of A or not. Each and every element of A or not. That means actually what is that one? I'm 3 by 3 matrix is saying, right? So let matrix A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. It is matrix A. This matrix A. Okay. Now Ka. What is Ka? Ka means Ka11, Ka12, Ka13, Ka21, Ka22, Ka2, 3. Next Ka31, Ka32, Ka33. It is matrix Ka. Now determinant of Ka we have written. So determinant of Ka is equal to determinant of Ka11, Ka12, Ka13, Ka21, Ka22, Ka23, Ka31, Ka32, Ka33. Right? Yes. So next what you have to do? Just observe here from this determinant. Can you take it common K from row 1? Yes, 1K. from row 2 1k, from row 3 1k. So k into k into k cube we will take it out common out, k cube. Then from the determinant what will get here, I am taking common k, a11, a12, a13. Next here a21, a22, a23, right? Next a31, a32, a33. Clear? So then what it is? Determinant of ka is equal to k cube into, it is that a or not? It is a. So determinant of a. So what we got here? Determinant of k is equal to what we got? K cube into that a. K cube into that a. So k cube into that a means option C you will get. Here 4 options are given. What is the option here? Option C. It is question number 15. Okay. Next question number 16. What is given here? Which of the following is correct? Determinant, first option, here also 4 options are given. What is the first option? Determinant is a square matrix. Determinant is a square matrix. Option A. Option B. Determinant is a number associated to a square matrix. Next, third one. Determinant is a number associated to a square matrix. See, option B, option C look like same only, but a small difference is there. Determinant is a number associated to a matrix. Option B, that one. Option C, determinant is a number associated to a square matrix. D, none of these is given. So option C is right. According to the definition of determinant, what we can say? Every square matrix can you associate it to a unique value. Unique value, that is only. Determinant is a number associated to a square matrix. Okay, that means every square matrix can associate it to a number, associate to a unique number or number. Every square matrix, isn't it? So here option C is given. Determinant is a number associated to a square matrix. To a square matrix. Okay, so option C is the right option. So it is question number 16. So it is about exercise 4.3. So exercise 4.3 is completed, and now I am going to explain examples. Okay, example. Some examples are there which are depend upon these. What those are? Determinants only. These determinants only. So I will start example questions. Okay.